What's up, Tower Rovers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today, in front of us is the N-Line i20 manual N6 variant, guys. Okay, if you remember, we have covered the DCT variant already. You can go and check the video out over here. I thought I'll bring you all the manual variant as well, since we didn't cover this variant in our channel yet because it is not available anywhere. Today it's available in front of me, so I thought I'd bring it to you again. And so of course the exterior and everything, we'll just do a quick walk around of the exterior because you're all aware how it looks, what it is, as I've already explained in my previous video. So we'll just do a quick one and we'll get inside and check out the manual gearbox over there. So as we are all aware, guys, this car comes with a 1-liter TGDI engine, 120 horsepower with 172 न्यूटन मीटर्स ऑफ टॉर्क. ये गाड़ी पोलो को टक्कर देती थी गाइज, अब तो पोलो है नहीं. And the only competition that's going to be coming is the Altroz Racer, guys. Okay, so that is going to be competing directly with this car in the near future. We are still waiting for the launch of the Altroz Racer. Let's hope that it comes out soon and we can cover it and show it to you guys ASAP. Anyway, as I said, guys, as you can see, this is the grill, radiator grill setup over here, finished in black. Hyundai logo finished over here in satin. Okay, यहाँ से थोड़ा white लग रहा है, but of course it's satin है. Red strip आप देख सकते हो bumper पे, red and black का finish है. This is your halogen lights over here. No LEDs in this, no DRLs whatsoever. This is basically the starting lineup of the N line. N6, N8 and N10 is the top of the line variant. Okay, and let's come to the side straight away. You get red calipers in this with disc brakes and the N line logo in between over there. And this is your 195/55 R 16-inch tires, N-line badging over here. Okay, your ORVMs are finished in black. Indicator treatment over here. Of course, no blind spot monitoring. No request sensor on the co-driver side. No request sensor in the rear as well. This is your fuel treatment over here. Okay, you get a sunroof in this, guys, which is neat. Your shark fin antenna is finished in body color. And that's pretty much it. Red strip running on the side skirts of the car, red and black finish over there. And coming to the rear, okay, just quickly we'll do a walk around. You don't get a rear wiper in this, you get it in the N8 and the N10. You do get a rear defogger. You have your high mode stop lamp, and the spoiler setup over here is finished in black. This area is finished in black, this particular design element, as you can see, and looks pretty neat. i20 written over here in the tail lamps, N9 badging over here, Hyundai logo over here, i20 logo over there. You get two parking sensors in the rear, alright, with a parking camera, as you can see. Diffuser treatment finished in black, dual tip exhaust आप देख सकते हो. So that's pretty neat, guys. Okay, so this is what the story is of the i20 N-Line car exterior, which we've already covered. You can check that video out, and let's get inside straight away. We are here to see the manual gear knob, of course. Okay, इसमें आपको metal pedals भी मिलते हैं, guys. 3 metal pedals, and of course the manual will be a more enthusiastic drive, guys. ये आप metal pedals देख सकते हो. Here traction control button over here, headlight adjuster over here, red strip on the AC knobs, as you can see. A lot of red strips over here on the door handle storage as well. And red accents बहुत ही है, guys, इसमें. You get a manually dimming IRVM. ये आपका cabin light setup है ऐसा. Okay, sunglass holder, sunroof. You get vanity mirrors in the sun visor, ticket holder for the driver, and this is your touchscreen setup. But this is the manual gearbox. I think this particular gear knob looks much more better than what we have in the DCT. Okay, you can see N written over there, and then R 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6-speed manual आता है, red stitching है, आप देख सकते हो gear के leather पे. And you get some storage over here. You get USB-C, USB and 12-watt charging socket over here. 2 cup holders, handbrake treatment is something like this. ये अगर red color में हो तो और अच्छा लगता. And this is your armrest storage. Armrest is not slidable, it's fixed. Okay, ये leather seats है, guys. You can see the stitching over here, red stitching, a lot of red stitching. Plastic लगा हुआ है, we definitely can't move it. Okay, we can't rip it out. And opening the glove box, you get a cool glove box in this, guys. Closing the glove box, AC treatment कुछ ऐसा है. This is your single zone climate control. Okay, automatic climate control, of course. AC, rear defogger, front defogger. This is to control where you want the air to come from. This is the internal circulation, switching off the AC, and this is the automatic climate control. Of course, this is how the steering setup is, guys. Leather wrap with red stitching over here. Your music functions, your voice functions, voice command function, of course. track change and everything is on the left. Cruise control is on the right, guys, and your MID toggle button is also on the right side, guys. Let's close the door. Yeah, in terms of driver functions, we have one touch up and down only for the driver. Rest are normal. Lock and unlock, ORVM function and window locking functions over here. You get door handle storage over here. Storage is big enough, all right, over here on the door. And closing, that's how the ORVM looks, okay. And you get manual dimming IRVM. फट आपको सब कुछ दिखा दे रहा हूँ, okay. And we are going to be switching on the cards, the key. You get a flip key and you get, this is your, ये आपको जो duplicate key आता है, this is your flip key setup, lock, unlock, and your boot opening. And we're going to place it in, okay. We're going to do a soft start. That's the digital layout in front of us, as you can see, okay. And basically this is your touchscreen unit as well, all right. We have already explored this touchscreen unit in the previous video. You can check that out. Digital unit भी हमने explore किया है, MID and everything, okay. So वो भी आप previous video में देख सकते हो. Main goal was to show you all the manual gearbox, guys, okay. And ये आपको change करके हम दिखा रहे हैं, okay. It's a slick gearbox, guys, so that's pretty neat. We can't take it out for a drive, unfortunately. अभी भी हमको गाड़ी टेस्ट ड्राइव में नहीं मिलती है, तो इसलिए we need your support. Subscribe to the channel, guys, like the video, share this video, so that we can also get cars for test drive and, you know, for long-term usage from the companies. Yeah, we really need that, okay. So please help me grow, please support as much as you can, and it really means a lot, guys. I'm really grateful for your support, okay. Let's keep moving forward, guys, okay. You get your sunglass holder over here. I think I've already shown you this, all right. Nothing much to show in the front, guys. Plain and simple, same story, nothing different except for the gear knob over here, except for the gearbox, of course. And all the manual enthusiasts, I want you all to comment your thoughts about this car. If you own this car, of course, leave a short review down below as well as to how it has been for you overall, okay. Let's get to the rear, guys, and see the story over there. Getting inside the rear now, guys. Same story, nothing different, but still I'll show it to you guys, okay. As you can see, AC vent unit is designed like this. Hump is okay, all right. This is the story of the leg room, all right. This is your knee room, foot room, it's good enough. This is your under thigh support, as you can see, all right. And cabin light function is, of course, finished in yellow over here. And you get 3-point seat belt, same red stitching. You get 2 headrests, of course, no 3 headrests, no adjustable headrests for the rear passenger. And red stitching all over, black colored leather seats, of course. You don't get height adjustable seat belts, guys. इसमें regular fixed seat belt है. Sunroof कुछ ऐसा दिखता है पीछे से. And that's pretty much it, okay. No seat pockets, okay. Seat pocket is over here, of course. This side नहीं है, okay. And vent control तो है. You get a USB-A charging socket also over there, as you can see. But that's pretty much it, guys, from the rear. Let's get outside and conclude the video. So this is my video of the i20 N-Line manual variant, guys, okay. It's the same car, okay, which we did of the DCT. It's the same car, it is just a different gearbox, of course. I thought I'd bring that to you as well. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. You can share your thoughts in the comments below, your suggestions in the comments below. It's always welcome, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Then take care and stay safe, turbo revers. Bye-bye.